ممتازة في المحاضرة الأولى لليونت الرابع من المحاضرة الأولى. I hope I covered every practice, everything, every action, every activity in the third unit. I think the Unit 4 is very important because it has or it deals with, it treats with grammatical disputes, very important, so I want you to focus on it. We will take here somewhere to live, مكان ما للعيش. Here in this unit we will describe the environment around us or place around us. So when you live in your room, you can describe your room or describe your home, describe your street, describe your city, describe your life or places around you. And we will take in this unit some grammatical disputes. Is very important. Grammatical disputes like there is, there are, some, any, a lot of, this, that, these, those, اسماء الإشارة, and adjectives and numbers and prices, الأسعار والأرقام. I think we uses all these grammatical disputes and somewhere to live, this subject, or in our life today, in daily life, في الحياة اليومية. So it is very important, and we will change of our plan. So I think I should take all these grammatical disputes before we will take any activity of unit 4. يعني بمعنى انه احنا راح ناخذ كل القواعد الخاصة باليونت الأربعة قبل البدء في يونت 4. It is important. ليش it is important؟ حتى من تلاقينا أثناء الباراجرافز، أثناء القطاع، أثناء البراكتس we know how to use it, and we know how to come it in English language. So I want you to focus on grammatical disputes, واللي هي عندنا بالكتاب اللي دائما مطوخيها باللون الأزرق، هاي grammatical disputes. One, how to use there is, there are, and the second one, this grammatical dispute, and another grammatical dispute here, singular and plural, and many. So I have many videos I will send to you to be strong in this grammatical dispute. And there is something is very important here, is to know accountable and uncountable nouns. It's very important. Countable and uncountable nouns. First one of our grammatical dispute is how to use there is, there are, there is, there are, there is, there are. I think it will be late something because
there is, there are, positive, there is a sofa, there are 2 bedrooms, Here are some examples.
There are 2 armchairs. There is a shower. There is a big living room. There are 5 kitchens in the White House.
إذن نستخدم there is و there are مع الجمل البوزيتيف اللي هي affirmative اللي هي الجمل المثبتة فقط. يعني لا نستخدم هوية negative sentences or questions. Okay, there is with the singular, there are with the plural, and we have here practice about this grammatical smooth. But you should know that something about countable and uncountable nouns. So the countable maybe is easy to use here, but there is some nouns is uncountable nouns like bread, like juice, like sugar, and so on. So you use there is bread, there is sugar, there is use يعني نستعمل there is مع الأسماء الغير معدودة في حالة الجمع. هي تجي في حالة الجمع والمفرد في حالة نفس الشيء. I think you are understand this grammatical smooth very well. Thank you for listening. Okay, here the second grammatical smooth here. How many? How to use how many? As you know that how many is used with the countable nouns. If the nouns is uncountable, we will use how much. So we know that how many with the countable nouns only. So let us know something about how many.
How many? We use how many to ask about the number of things. Here are some examples.
How many bathrooms are there? How many bedrooms are there? How many armchairs are there?
Thank you for listening. As you know that or looking for this, these nouns are coming in the plural form. So and add as for the end of the nouns because it is countable nouns. And we have here the auxiliary verb are with the countable noun. Thus, come back another time for how to use how many.
How many? We use how many to ask about the number of things. Here are some examples.
How many bathrooms are there? How many bedrooms are there? How many armchairs are there?
طبعا كما تعلمون ان لا توجد numbers for uncountable noun. يعني الاشياء غير معدوده ليس لها عدد. مثلا لا ما نقدر نقول هو ايش قد كم حبه سكر او ما اعرف شنو هاي الاشياء لان هي تقاس تقريبا بالكيلو. But we can use something to make these uncountable noun as a countable noun. Like I want 3 cups of tea. 3 cups of tea. يعني هنا اجت معدودة لأن هي أصبحت من ضمن الكاب cup of tea من ضمن الكوب. Like I want 3 kilos of tea of sugar. Okay? The third grammatical smooth is how to use some and any. Some and any. Some with a positive, any with a negative and a question. So let us know how to use
4.3 Some and any. Positive. In positive sentences, we use some with plural nouns.
There are some pictures.
Negative. In negative sentences, we use any with plural nouns.
There aren't any glasses.
Question. In questions, we use any with plural nouns.
Are there any books?
Here are some more examples.
She has some plates. There aren't any mugs. Are there any carpets? There are some cups. Does she have any clothes? I have some books on my table.
مثل ما هو واضح بالشرح. Some is used with the positive sentences and the nouns is coming with some with the plural. With any uses with the question and negative. Question and negative, and the nouns is coming with the plural. So بعض الأسماء تأتي بصفة الجمع، يعني مضافة إليها اس الجمع، ولا تأتي بصيغة المفرد. like Caesars اللي هو المقص. Caesars. جينز اللي هو الملابس. باجامز اللي هي البجامة. glasses or sunglasses. pants. هاي الأسماء تأتي بصيغة الجمع وليس لها مفرد. أوكي، هسه الآن عندنا مجموعة من الأسماء تأتي فقط بصيغة الجمع، ومجموعة من الأسماء تأتي بصيغة المفرد سواء كانت جمع أو مفرد، وهي الأسماء الغير معدودة. Is that correct? Is that right? Understand? Is that clear? Sorry. مثل ما ذكر الكتاب إنه some is not coming with a question, but some is coming with a question. Would you like some cake? Would you like some pasta? Would you like some grapes? Would you like some tea? Do you want some sugar? And so on. And another question. Can I have some banana? Can I have some bread? Okay. اللي نستخلصه عندما تعرض لصديقك أو لزميلك أو لأحد الأقرباء أو لأحد الناس في بعض الأشياء من تعرفها بصيغة السؤال. You can use some. And when you ask something from your friends or other people, you can use some. Thank you. As you know, the meaning of a some, بعض. The meaning of the any, a. Do you have any question? The meaning of a lot of, الكثير من. الكثير من. Let us listen about the grammatical aspect of a lot of.
4.4 A lot of. A lot of means a large number of things.
She has a lot of clothes. I have a lot of books. She has a lot of shoes.
A lot of is a large number of things. عدد كبير من الأشياء. You have, for example, you have 10 apples, and someone is taking from you 85 apples. Oh, he has a lot of, يعني أخذ من 185 ولذلك نقول a lot of. Thank you for listening. Now we will take demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun اللي هي this, that, these, those. This is coming with the singular and close to you, قريب لك or near to you. That with a singular, but that is far away, or is used sometime over there, هنالك, يعني بعيد عنك, is not near, is not close for you. These is coming with the this مع القريب, and these with the plural مع الجمع القريب. Okay? Plural and near. This, those with that. Those مع البعيد لكن بصيغة الجمع. Let us listen to the grammatical spot of these 4 words. I think my laptop is not good today because it is lating. Um,
4.5. This, that, these, those. We use this and these to talk about people or things that are near to us.
I like this picture. How much are these mugs?
We use that and those to talk about people or things that aren't near to us.
Can you see that man? Who are those children outside?
We can use this, that, these, and those without a noun.
This is lovely. That's horrible. Can I have this? These are my favorite. I don't like that. I don't want those.
اللي نستخلصها من هذا التمرين الإكسرسايز that this and وجماعتها قد تحل محل الاسم or in object أو محل المفعول به. So that is very important, and this, that is coming with the singular. These, those is coming with the plural. Now we are reach for the last activity about grammatical spots. So how to answer this question? Choose the correct sentence. Henry, that is my mother. Mom, that is Henry. هذا غلط. ليش؟ لأنه هو قاعد يقدمهم واحد للثاني، فما من معقول يقول له هذا وهذا وهم بعيدين من القرب. يستخدم this. The second one, look at this house over there. Over there is coming with the something far away from you, يعني بعيد عنك, is not close for you. So we use that because that is coming with the is not close for you things. Third one, how many students are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? How many of students? Of is It is position here is not correct. So the first one is correct. I have a lot of books. I have lot of is not correct. I have a lot of books. I have some photos of my dogs. I have any photos of my dog. بما إنه مثبت وغير negative أو question is taking some. There aren't any biscuits in the cupboard. There isn't any biscuits in the cupboard. الأولى ليش؟ لأنها جمع وأخذت aren't. There is 2 books on the table. There are 2 books on the table. الثاني لأن جمع. There aren't some sandwich. طبعا some is not coming with the negative sentences, so it is any is the correct. Let us check our answer. Is correct. Thank you for listening. I hope my lecture is useful for you. Thank you.